Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to hide apps in your home screen. You'll need this app called Shortcuts, which allows you to hide apps. Once downloaded, open it and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Click on Add Action, Scripting, Open App, and tap on the app next to Open. I'm gonna be hiding Tinder, so let's search Tinder in the search bar. The next step is to change the logo, so you're gonna have to click on Open App at the top of the screen. Choose Icon, and just pick from any of these. And also don't forget to change the name. And tap on Add to Home Screen. As you can see, it's in my home screen, and if I click on it, Tinder will open. You can also remove this. But don't click on Delete App. Instead, click Remove from Home Screen to remove it, and you will use this as your actual Tinder account. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.